हेलो एवरीवन, उम्मीद है आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में स्टैंडर्ड 10 के प्रॉब्लम सेट 2 से क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ज्ञान विजर्ड में आप सभी लोगों का वेलकम है। मैं हूं अजमल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस इज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस। 3 इक्वेशंस दिए हुए हैं, हमें चेक करना है कि इन 3 में से कौन से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस हैं और कौन सा नहीं है। कोई भी इक्वेशन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस तब होता है जब उसकी वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर 2 हो और a और b साइमल्टेनियसली 0 नहीं हो। दैट मीन्स द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज ax स्क्वायर प्लस द bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. दैट मीन्स हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द x मस्ट बी 2, a and b should not be simultaneously 0. Let's check the first one. X square plus 2x plus 11 is equal to 0. The highest power of the x is 2, value of a is 1, b is 2, c is equal to 11. It satisfies the conditions and it is a quadratic equation. Second one, x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to x square. We can write it as x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Cancelled out, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here the highest power of the variable is 1. So this one is not a quadratic equation. Let's check the third one. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 2x square. X square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2x square. Transpose it on the left side. X square minus 2x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the minus x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Value of a is minus 1, b is 4, c is 4, and the highest power of the x is 2. So it satisfies the required conditions of a quadratic equation. So third one is also a quadratic equation. So our answer is first and the third one is a quadratic equation. Question number 3, find the value of discriminant of the following quadratic equations. We know that the formula for discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. First one, the value of a is 2, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 2. So the discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is also 2. This is equal to 1 minus 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, 1 minus 16 is equal to minus 15. Second one, we can write it as 5m square minus m plus 0 is equal to 0. So the value of a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 1 and value of c is 0. Therefore, discriminant delta is equal to b square means minus 1 square minus 4 into m, a is equal to 5 and c is equal to 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0, so the answer will be 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. Third one, a is equal to root 5, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus root 5. Always take the value of the discriminant with its sign. Therefore, delta is equal to b square minus 1 square minus 4 into a is root 5 into minus root 5 is equal to 1. Minus into minus is plus 4. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. This is equal to 1 plus 20. This is equal to 21. Question number 4. One of the roots of quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0 is minus 2. Find the value of k. Minus root 2 is a root of this quadratic equation. That means if we put x is equal to minus 2 in this equation, then it will satisfy it. Satisfy it means the value of the left hand side will be equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. 2x square minus 2 square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 into 4 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2k is equal to 0. That means 2k is equal to 6. Therefore, k is equal to 6 upon 2 and this is equal to 3. So, k is equal to 3 is the value, value of k in this equation is 3 when one of the roots is minus 2. Question number 5. Two roots of quadratic equations are given. Frame the equations. Two roots are given. If alpha and the beta are the roots of a quadratic are the given roots, then the quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the root times x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Let's find out the value of the sum and the product of the roots. The first one, sum of the roots. If alpha plus beta is equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Product of the roots, that means alpha and beta is equal to 10 into minus 10 is equal to minus 100. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the root times x means 0 times x plus product of the roots, that means minus 100 is equal to 0, or we can say x square minus 100 is equal to 0. Second one, sum of the roots, that means alpha plus beta is equal to the 1 minus 3 root 5 plus 1 plus 3 root 5. This is the minus plus cancelled out. 1 plus 1 is 2. And the product of the roots, alpha into beta. Alpha beta is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5 into 1 plus 3 root 5. This is in the form a minus b multiplied by a plus b, and that is equal to a square minus b square. 1 square minus 3 root 5 whole square. This will be equal to 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, root 5 square is 5, 9 minus 1 minus 45, and this is equal to minus 44. So the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots means alpha plus beta, that is minus 2x, plus product of the roots alpha beta means minus 44 is equal to 0. Third one, alpha plus beta, alpha is 0, beta is 7, this is equal to 7. Product of the roots is equal to 0 into 7 is equal to 0. So the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots times x, 7x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. That means x square minus 7x is equal to 0. Hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.